Hey everyone, welcome back to Sklearning. In today's video, we're going to know about Kestrel and difference between Kestrel and IIS, which is commonly asked in interview. Kestrel is a cross-platform web server for ASP.NET Core. Cross-platform means it can work with any operating system like Windows, Linux, etc. It is a type of out-of-process hosting. Kestrel can be used alone, or it can be used with IIS or Nginx web servers. Here are the differences between Kestrel and IIS. A cross-platform web server built into ASP.NET Core acts as the internal or primary web server for ASP.NET Core applications. Extremely fast and lightweight, designed for high-performance scenarios. Can serve requests directly from the internet or be used behind a reverse proxy like IIS, Nginx, or Apache. IIS, a Windows-only full-featured web server developed by Microsoft, often used as a reverse proxy to forward requests to Kestrel, especially in production Windows environments. Slightly heavier than Kestrel, but provides more enterprise-grade features. Supports integration with .NET Framework and ASP.NET Core apps.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.